cooperative. Nagwanmas ni Apo Alangsam na we can start now. So, Apo,
Bintan ng barangay.
and I'd like to call Julia.
Dito pa.
Awan mo ikap. Sige ma'am, iba'y punta. Imbaga na di kalman nga gi. Walang karama sa tapos isura mo ito si mo. Tinagan mo. Kasi mawag di kalman. Ito ma'am. Nagan ko. Anuan dito. Daron ng latatan.
Namiram dalawa. Inuha. Baka
Marunong. Pagatin ka na siya.
Of the property development fund.
wala kayo sando.
Sinatago ko. Baka mawala mo.
Ang gusto mo. Ito yung parang...
QM.
Ay, ito pala.
Wala na po. Dito yung kap niya. Apple QM natin.
Sir, barangay. Kayo, sir.
Okay na?
Jenny sa ABC.
Ayos na?
Kanya iba kampi di eh.
Nilap siya na sa ikan na reserve mo. Para ginagawa. Hindi nga barangay siya.
Uy, gusto ako lang. Kamutin ni...
Silangan dyan. Maganda.
May count ko yun. Barangay system. Kailan?
Re-resolution. May barangay assembly ako sa 17. Sasabihin ko sa kanila.
Ay, binulong. Saan na yung bulletin natin?
After is S23, pakisipatan mo. December. December. Ibalik na rin sa opisina pag
Ay, sorry.
Including the implementation na sa DNI pa ng monitoring team cooperative city of Baguio. So, at the DNI programa iti gobyerno sa on DNI increase membership in the barangay level. Nationwide na programa na sa CCDA wherein we aim to touch the residents of each barangay. Sibag yung each barangay at ako maiti maawis pa yung member iti different niya. Kasi percentage iti membership iti residents iti Baguio to cooperative plus nakapadaygor ito sa kayang programa ni gobyerno sa kayang English na ito. There are three options for us. May kami dito i-present ka lang kayo na dito na yung tatlong millionaire cooperative, millionaire cooperative. Sa kayat ni nga ipapamo na ipagdang si kooperatiba na di mayat ng practices sa dahil man si Marbaran po na nila mag-convince ka na kayo sa daging resident kayo yung barangay, daging client ni yung barangay, maawit yung ito na or may siman lang yung activity na para maka-member na ito na different millionaire cooperative dito Baguio City. Or, that is one option. Another option is, if there are existing cooperatives in your barangay, willing kami nga mag-interested dyan. Kaya alam ko lang kayo nga CDA na doon maglahat na yung sanay na doon mga kooperatiba doon sa Baguio City niya. So, the second option is, and the first option is, for your client is, or the residents of your barangay, to be members to millionaire cooperative. Second option is, we strengthen the existing cooperative in your barangay. Another option is, the number 3 is, we create new cooperatives if there are no existing cooperatives in your barangay. So, talo di pagpilyan kayo ako, but itaw-tawag din nga after na panawag na ito ang kakanatak na representative si Millionaires Group, si Panglapitik Cooperative, itaw-tawag ni nga na kayo officialis sa barangay, desisyonan nyo ni natin saan ano ni approach kayo di barangay. We are giving you the option and that is up to you to decide lumat ano kami nga umenter na ng agency cooperative resident kayo di barangay. So I would like to introduce first our companions. This is Sir Alvaro Salot, which is Generation 2, but instructor is instructor din sa UBD. Now, he is one of the board of directors of Baguio Benguet Community Credit Co-op, our first billionaire cooperative in Cordillera, and I think first in or second in Luzon. Yeah? So, may tayo na board of director in the Baguio Benguet Community Credit Co-op. Nag-private engineer Susan Angaga. Ito natin chairman iti Baguio Vegetable Savings and Credit Cooperative. May sama tayo nga millionaire cooperative iti City of Baguio. And then, ano Mang Beth? At ito ni Mang Beth nga manager iti Mocampo, Mothers and Family Multipurpose Cooperative located at the public market. Ito na what iti third nga millionaire cooperative sa iti Baguio. So, at the time matagit ito kadwana nga tumulong sa Nisuna. At the same time, at the time ni Ma'am Marie, representative mo lang ti Babesco. So, ito siguro ti Batangda. Sa ito naman iti mag-discuss iti pag-plastic cooperative kada tayo just a short discussion on their best practices in their cooperative. So una man meron nga ito tayo ni Sir Adversalo, Oscar Adversalo, representative ni Baguio Benguet Community Credit Co.
Thank you, Felix. Good afternoon to everybody. I represent Baguio Benguet Community Cooperative, or better known as BBCCC, located along Samson Road. This was founded in 1958. We are now 54 years old, and was affected. We are now for the Lumayaban. We are the first business cooperative in Cordillera. In fact, BBCC is anchored on the co-op identity or mission, which is helping people help themselves. So we have been doing this for the past 54 years. The co-op had humble beginnings. It started in 1958, started by 15 teachers of the St. Louis College, now SLU, with a starting capital of 250 pesos. Now our target ran to 1,200,000,000 pesos today. We have touched thousands. We have touched the lives of thousands and thousands of people in the Baguio Benguet area, which are our areas of operation, through the provision of affordable financial services. In fact, we are a credit cooperative. Kooperatiba ito nga nagpapautang iti kwarta. We have helped so many people of different walks of life in terms of credit, lending of course, and borrowing on their side. And many people have improved their lives. In fact, we believe that we have already made an impact on the lives of these people in terms of their social and economic development. In fact, cooperatives are intended under the Constitution to promote social justice and to advocate a better or equitable distribution of wealth in the country. In fact, this year, that's 2012, has been declared by the United Nations as International Year of Cooperatives. And we try to acknowledge this through a show of force that we have conducted in Quezon City, I think last month. And we would like to acknowledge the impact of cooperativism in our lives, because we believe that cooperative enterprises build a better home, a better family, a better community, a better country, and above all, a better world. BBCCC is very proud to tell you that we are an open, community-based cooperative. So we accept members from our area of operation, Baguio and Benguet, and we are conducting 3 membership seminars once a month on the first Sunday of the month. So if you're interested, join us, and we believe that by joining BBCC, you will have a better life, you will have an improved life. In fact, ipagpagami ang Ilocano, pagpagami rin membro nga, iti punto yun ng membro kay BBCC, sana sa mga utang, sa namin damagin mi, apa yung kayo sa membro, tapos na magpautang ka nila. Kasi kami doon natin kasana kami umutang ng BBCC. This is somewhat misguided. Ako, papautang kami si Kwarta, tatlo romang ay itibiyag kayo. So, utang is not to be taken as an end in itself. It's supposed to be taken as a means to an end. Umutang si membro, tatlo romang ay, sumayaat iti, biyag iti membro. Saan nga umutang, tatlo na pagtungin, something like that. So that is not the mission of cooperativism. And cooperativism is worldwide. In fact, we have a lot in Korea, in Asian countries, in Canada, and many parts of Europe and America. So we appreciate the program of the city government for encouraging our city to join the movement. In fact, I agree with Felix, just one more minute, with Felix, that really we need to strengthen the cooperative movement. In fact, the CDA has a 3-point agenda for this year, a 3-point agenda for this term. Okay. One is membership enhancement, pagpaadog i-membro. Second is human resources development, empowerment of our people. And third is award and recognition, that we also have to award outstanding cooperatives. On the first agenda, we believe that we can do this value. One option is to put up down a co-op in every barangay. Although personally, I don't think it is very feasible. The second option is we enhance membership where barangays would join a cooperative in their area. That to me would be very feasible. For example, BBCC is located at Assumption Road, and I think our nearby barangay is ABC Barangay. If we can enhance membership to this, perhaps this program of the government of the city of Baguio will really be realized. So I think we don't have enough time kasi we have other things to consider. So I'm giving this now to Ampusan. No? Thank you very much.
Naimbag naman yung sa amin, nakakarami ko yung nakipintas na barangay captain, ibang City Amo. Ano po matalantanan din na talantan ni Sir na atward sa tutay na ikang makanilang department and Sir akamot lang meeting ko nga sumapagdan ako. Akor ni ako, no, apay nagasi kami from Mabensco, pagkami na ang yun, may nakipagsayatan na makilembor kayo di cooperative pati nga Mabensco, which is called Baguio Vegetable Retailer Savings and Credit Cooperative, which is found in our office at number 13, Hotcake Section, Jahangar Market, Apo. And then, buwan yung mag-join din namin na talong na kooperatiba dito na naayapan. Nung kaya yung form si co-op yung di barangay yun, adaman si co-op yun yung sa Baguio City na magtulong dahil gayak na nagipot at cooperative ngayon. Okay? Sirs and ma'am, the objective na ni Kooperatiba may siya, na ibaga ni Sir Takayan, to uplift the standard of living of all the members. So, para si Kooperatiba tayong Mabensco, na-isip up na si September 1 of 1987. Na-register ako si, nakaregister si CDA, pati na-upgrade in 2009. And then today, makita yung tayo bunong ni Ma'am Marie, the membership ni Tasta, from 23 members, naging 2,441 members kami, with regular members of 763, and associate members of 1,678. To date also, we are happy to inform you that our cooperative now belongs to the number 5 region category of the cooperatives in Cordillera Administrative Region with a total asset of 98 million. Inya ako nagiging serbisyo na mabalin niya i-offer ti kooperatiba tayo nga Babesco. Dahil ako nga Babesco, hindi retailer ay dagila ang vendors fee at anaan niya members fee. Ngayon today, naging community kami matan. Sumano na kayo nga barangay captains ka dali constituency. Kaya nyo join sa kooperatiba niya Babesco, mabalin ako, you are most welcome. Dagito'y ako ti serbisyo nga maikitan. Savings deposit, which earns interest higher than the bank. No, 1.5% di bangko, 2.5 ako di interest na di savings deposit bagay. The loans pa yung short term and with minimal charges only. The short term ako nani, di 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, the maximum na, hingga na 6 months to pay. The charges na lang ako, 1.5 interest, 1% filing fee, and 1% service fee. For more details, makayat nyo kayo yung tinutuman, hanggang naman na i-discuss sa amin to, you can contact us on that number kaya that pa na-i-paskin na yun. Okay? So, benefits. Nga ba ti benefits? Di mabalin na alaon o member ka ng kooperatiba. At lalo dito yung kooperatiba tayo nga Babesco, you can avail of the following. Medical aid assistance, agititod kami ako, regular members fee, o sakit ka, ranging from 1,000 to 3,000. Depende yung sakit. And then, mortuary aid assistance also, no member need less than 10 years, at ang atagos ti 10,000 burial fee nga maitod. No more than 10 years ka ti kooperatiba, 15,000 burial fee, aside from makolekta ang aming members na 100. For example, that we are 763, kolektaan ni Vijay times 100, that is 76,300, plus Vijay, na isod niya 15,000, that makes 91,300, plus the rest, the sabon. Vijay ako, tinitidod niya, benefit fee, member fee, Babesco, na kinanan ako yung tao. Okay? So, seminars and trainings, dito tayo mo, Kamusta, in coordination with the Co-op Union of Publicity, field trips to the different places inside the Philippines, and then free medical and dental check-up, and then sports activity. We have this during our anniversary. Unyapay ako, social concern to community. Every year we have our green environment project, that is the tree planting, and then medical dental outreach, adopt a family program. As of now, we have one family where we are giving 1 half sack of rice and 750 pesos for their other purposes, livelihoods and others. And then we have also a scholarship for TESDA accredited courses, and then adopt a school program. Dahil ako, in Spring Hills, naaramitan na, tinulungan ni Suda na nag-arami si Jai at tanan at bababa. We provided aggregates and cement, nagigay constituents sa Janarangan at ang sini ako pakitanda Jai, isuda mo si labor. Dahil talang ako, tina-share ko, tatlo kaya si mga pumasyag sa opisina at amon din sa address. Thank you. Thank you, ako.
Nakalimas si taga-mufam ko, kinuduami si party ni, nagsasabi kita kat ni, alis ko rin kita kadwak. Tapos medyo, sa dibasitan, housewife kami na nga, mostly nga pa di mufam ko, but please bear with us. Mufam ko, with mothers and family, multi-purpose credit cooperative. Credit po sa ang servant ni. Nung sakay ki amin, dapat ay alam na naibing oras na yaman iti Office of the City Mayor, na Mamichelle na Kuya, Sir Noel na Mabutas, for inviting us para kada kayo, i-share ni Matibasitlaan na humble story ng nagkakas na dati mo kampo. Anya, si mo kampo, nagabuan si Mufangco. Iti taon 1985, at sa Kabatayan Cathedral, at ati naanos na sister iti ngagnagan si Sister Lawrence Poscre, inala na tituwa nga nalalaing na nagagagot na agnagan si Ma'am Elizabeth Mamanglo, Ma'am Teresita Alipit, na handle na iti implementation iti ko na lang na CRS, Catholic Relief Service Assisted Nutritional Program, Ibakari o iti Mountain Province. Iti trabaho da, kita ang nag-indigest ng family. Ito ti beneficiaries da. Most of the beneficiaries are housewives, some of them do not know how to read nor write. So they start realize the socioeconomic of their beneficiaries are very low. So one of them thinks dapat natin with the help of Ma'am Emerita Fuerte of CI. When we say additional sa mga pandiriera. Pati matitulong si SMU Small Scale Industries thanks to Ma'am Erlinda Manupol at Maximize naman. After i-training na, train naman si ulit na, si Katadwa na, then in-offer na CRS participants. After series of orientation, 11 na unti na take series na nagturad. After the end of 1985, the 11 na member na 16. In the year 1990, after 5,000 pesos na capital dalaong na nag-usamutan si 1 million na asapada capital daan. Mauran yung pinataon, kasi mo pinakakuan third grade July 16, 1990. In November 1991, mula sa Mother's Loan and Saving Program nasukatan iti Mufangco nga itong Mother and Family Multipurpose Cooperative. And when registered with CDA, nagupad CDA, the area of operation na sa Sibadyo Kuminget, the targeted population na sa urban, rural, poor women and their families. In 1993, CRS will get a nutritional program to make kasaluwanan kaputan. Concentrate sa mga cooperative mas makasulutan. In 1995, naka-short si Mufangco the awards na category sponsoran si ESPN Uban Foundation. In 1995, in-awardan si CDA car being the most law-abiding cooperative and for yearly submission to national statement. Okay. Tapos si services kayo, si services ni, nagtapo nga iti. At lamang lang sa iwan at credit cooperative kami nga ron, at pautang kami mas, nung like pautang ni hanga doon out, syempre, pautang ni, bayadan na, tapos no, pumatong na si, tapos ito nga nag-success si, iti PMES ni kasi maraming every last Saturday of the month. Iti first seminar, present version seminar ni we introduce and stress the importance of cooperativism before entering the cooperative. So I know in my heart that in 27 years of cooperativism, with the help of our Lord, all the people who started it with their wholehearted volunteerism, honesty, and perseverance, they have successfully created, educate, and instill the value of good cooperation in all members of Mufangco. Last March 3, 2012, we hold our 22nd General Assembly, and we have informed our more than 4,000 members that as of this year, we are now 200 million richer. Which is humbly given back to the Lord. These are
the few highlights of our working authorization. Ito si Manang Pat Grade 1, Manang Pat Grade 1.
Sige, Mike. Ay, si Water.
Ginagawa niya ini kasi naging tayo na ang kanina mabalin na naging quality yan ng toy para kanya ni housewife na pinakunay na kami nang tayo na ang mamutang kumati ka po na ang kami nga nakukurapay na awan ko na ipanggalan ni utang at sinabalin ni ang pagkapunan. Ito nga, kasi nito si Bumalatim na kami ag-utang na kami nagkakanti agbayad. Kasi sa rin ni nakikita ni para ito niya pada pag-ismilan si anak ni pagpunan sa nagkikilak na kumita mostly before si sila ni secretary vendors yung kanta si panangita ni dahil yun sa duma beneficio si pangko adabot lang si sila adabot lang ni sila tayo bakit na and adupay nga ikwada ka kaya sabi man nga ituro pinabibing nga agtegen ito lang ito nga sa niya ni Agristo para ipiupin nga agi ito malakangin nga mothers ituro din mas kada na anak ni agi ulin uray siyang sa kailangan takayat mo piman sa management imukang po na kawasan niya para isay nga agirugi isibin Bimruti ko pang ko, nakita mi mga adagit ko sa management meeting man dito, real humble na, handa nga, apan na, kaslatang parayan na ito'y kanya, nga awan si Amumi, no dito, ituro na mong piman na kami. Ito ti, basta pa yung agala iti, hami nga mauwasan, ipa-explain kanya na, ito niya din, talagang pangdayawan mi, awisin mi na rin kayo amin, no, kanya di kayat yun, no, at biro kayo kanya, no, iyaya, at create kayo, barangay yung, tuladin yun, ikatasanin, itilmupang ko, nga, haan kami, malipot sila, mga kanina nagsukat-sukat iti management menta, makakuha iti program, ito nga, mas na kami diyan dangan sila. Ito nga, pasensya kayo, dahil hindi makikuha mi, kasi awisin nila kayo, nga umayag, may working. Salamat.
Thank you very much po. May question po po kayo in the We also would like to thank your joint and staff for allowing us to use the conversation. That's your new position.
Pagka, ano tayo amin, and